Hi guys, every day the design of full electric and hybrid vehicles is growing and growing and growing. And the $1,000,000 question is, what is the best battery recommended for that purpose? Okay, the best battery is the battery that stores more amps and deliver that amount of energy slowly in a good period of time. This is the best battery. And I discovered recently those batteries, the Thunder Sky Winston batteries. They have cranking batteries like this, and they have individual cells. Cells that start in 400 amps, each cell 3.3 volts, 400 amps, or 700 amps, or 1000 amps, or 7000 amps each cell, and 10,000 amps each cell. This is incredible because you can organize in parallel or series and you can create the battery bank that you wanted. Can you imagine that amount of amps storage in a battery bank? That's the solution for a lot of hybrid and electric configuration. And now you can buy those batteries in Amazon. They are available in Amazon. You can see the link to buy the batteries in the description of this video. And also, if you want a discount, you can use this promo code. With this promo code, especially for Mr. Lopez customers and Mr. Lopez followers, you have a 5% of discount. Enter in the website of Amazon using the link that you have in the description of this video and use this promo code. With this promo code, you have an extra 5% of discount. Okay, my friend? Go right now to Amazon and buy the batteries, the Winston Sky batteries with excellent discount. Good luck.